Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng kudalo na official yan. Sinabi ng magpunta. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng baril. Sabi lang sila na we are not anymore. Hindi na sila kudita yung magpunta yung tangki digira noon. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Getting out means
I don't know. Basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan basta siyempre na military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water, pati kami in the coming days, wala ang kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasalin sa iyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. They will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. That's it.
Hindi, siya, sabihin na nga niya, Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo na yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS. Wilhelm, 89.
Ito doon sa ako survey?
Pinagbili nila, asan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. Pwede sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang military na military na. Do you think si Brown po ay mag-react ito?
Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Brown will
ito pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, go ahead.
Kasi may statement siya, dapat parang state of lang yung military, wala naman siyang sinabi. In fact, si Inday na nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung Chief of Staff. Ano daw makakatulog yung AFP Chief of Staff.
Matagal na siya natulog. Alam niya yung Commander-in-Chief niya nagtutuluga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang hindi. Ang mga pulis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdamio nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sipo ni mag-usap kami, yung sipo ni Lagdamio magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sipo niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na siya Lagdamio durugista. Alam ni Lagdamio na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam niyo kung wala. Pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin, kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana, we cannot get it correct and accurate true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
It is short of challenging Brown right now to act on it.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now, tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the President who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo, hindi nila alam, at sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the President. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. So yung Presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then
hinihintay.
people looking at me because that President is silent. Kita mo ulit siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng daalitan, sandali.
But people are saying, pag mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go all right. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been boring.
Pero kung ang damo na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating records. We will ask. Tapos gano'n. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation. No nothing. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Just about 4 years. Ayaw magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, kaya ba, sabi na itong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanongin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. So may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard, nag-suicide, minumurak, you can tap the finger dan saya. Masyadong tulong, puti na yan. Ano kung ako yun, isin mo na, huwag mo tulong. Tabi ka lang. Purahin mo, kaya po na pahiya ka. Sundalo, pagkamatay.
Mayor, yung PSC
What will?
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSC na transmission?
Kernel, hindi mo suicide yun.
yung PSG.
Yung person suicidal. Minura niya.
Ni,
Ni Mrs. Marcos.
Kailan yan meeting?
Kailan yan?
Last October.
Bago lang.
Sino na taga-mura? Ang babae o ang lalaki?
2 months pa lang ako na
Last October.
umalis. Ano mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at the... Kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino or naman siya magawa. That is his view.